Hi, here we are at the Virginia Bred Futurities. We're in Dawesville, Virginia at the show, and Rico won reserve weanling halter champion. He actually tied for first, but the judge, he got a first second and a second first, and the tie-breaking judge happened to have him second. So it was really a tie, but he's had a great show. And we're about to leave, and so Cody is bathing him to get all the product off of him, and he's just such a great little horse. Cody can't take him anywhere that people aren't oohing and awing and really complimenting him. So he's got the manners of a 10-year-old, so just want to show you him. He's in the barn at the wash stables of the barn in Dawesville, and he's getting his bath and getting ready to go home. Rico loves his bath.